All right, in this video, we're going to walk through how to use our invoicing tool. So once you get a login, you'll put your username and password in, and we'll sign in. You can let this loading screen go for a few seconds, or you can hover over and click on invoices here to the left. Once you're logged in and you don't have anything showing and you want to create a new invoice or a template is what we call it, and you would do that here in the create and edit view. So we'll hit new and we're going to start creating a simple. So first you'll choose your customer ID, put your job number in. We'll just put shop supply template, and the invoice number here will automatically generate. If you want to put in a custom invoice number, you can here. And this is where you can start to search and find items. If you know what it is, I can find one here. Once you select it, it's going to drop down the information down below. The price is going to take the full retail price and divide it by this number here. And so there's some rounding there going on. You can edit any of this stuff that you want. You can take out the 6-pack if you want to take that out. And you can also make custom descriptions here as well. You can put a note in, this is a demo template. Once you've added that item, you can add the item to your list and it will populate over here on the right, and you can go on to your next one. If you know 8 part numbers, it's always great. You can start by adding a few items here, and if everything looks good, we'll just add that item to the list. And we'll just kind of go down through this list. What we try to do is get you started with a few of your own, and once you're done here, this is a simple 3-line template. You'll notice that some of the prices here, if you see a low price, we will divide the total retail price by this quantity here. And so if you wanted a full 2, you would want to make that 200, and you can edit that right here with the dynamic pricing, which is really nice. When we're all done, we'll hit save. And once it's saved, you can close the screen. It'll be ready to go here. And then if you want to view it, you can print it. And we'll do that now. Once your invoice prints, you'll see that it will have the same items as previously, but it'll add some more information about your customer address, the name, it has our logo here, and then there's that randomly generated invoice number as well as your job number. So once you have a template created, you can go on to the next step. So what's really nice is once you have a template created, or if you have a list of templates, you can start and simply reuse that as you move forward. So you'll hit new, choose your customer ID and here you'll put your new RO number in. And then as you go down, see this button to merge the job number. If you click on that, all of your templates will pop up. So you can have that shop supply template. It'll populate everything from the previous screen. And we have some other templates as well. You can add the quarter panel template and it will drop all of the items in ready to go without having to do anything. So if you have a quarter panel, if you have a roof, you can put those in as multiple different templates. The items will add on top of each other. So if you have the same item on a quarter panel and a roof, it will double those up. So you don't have to think about doing that. Once you're all done here, hit save, and we'll let it save up here. And we can close it. And there's your new job number right there. We have a few things to filter the screen as you get using this. This screen will get larger and larger. So we're filtering it by the last 7 days and 15 records. If you want to see everything, you can open that up to all, and that'll have all of your items as well. So that's how you can create, edit, and reuse this. If you want to edit anything, so now that's how you can create a new invoice or template from scratch, and then you can also reuse the templates that you created using our new merge function.